Hey guys, it's Claudia. I wanted to share real quick with you guys the 90 days to director formula for success. Just so you guys can get a visual of why we always ask for 8 shows on your calendar when you are going towards directorship. So with this formula, if you follow this formula, you will promote to director in your first 90 days. From whenever you set your goal. Okay. So I'm gonna walk you through it a little bit. So right here, so you book 8 shows, okay? So when you book 8 shows, 1 to 2, typically 2, will cancel or reschedule to a later date. So you have 8 shows booked, you're actually holding 6 shows. So what happens when you hold 6 shows? You will have about 10 guests, which includes the host at your parties. So you'll be in front of 60 people in a month, okay? From those 60 people, a third of them will take home information about the business to just kind of look over, join us brochure and things like that. And a third of those 20 people will agree to meet up with you or do, a follow-up call with you. And from those people that set interviews with you, only about a third will actually join your team. Okay, so that means you will get your 2 recruits per month when you book 8 shows. That's pretty much the formula that really, really works. And now, of course, if you do that for 3 months consistently, then you're going to have 6 recruits on your team, which we need 5, right, for directorship. And out of those 6 people that you recruit, a third of those people will also bring in team members. So your team's just going to grow. So the key is always consistency, and 8 shows as a minimum consistently, meaning holding 6, is always the key. Cooking shows are the bread and butter, but again, virtual shows, as long as you're good at building those relationships and following up and doing your contacts, that can definitely happen with virtual shows as well. So again, this is the formula. I will be posting this on our group so you can see it. And then the other thing that is very important as you're tracking your business is this 90-day tracker with the requirements of promoting to director, when you want to promote, and tracking every single show every single month, and then sending that to me or your upline, because this is how we can see what we need to work with you. So if you have a show with lots of sales and no bookings, then we might need to look at why don't we have bookings. If you have a show with lots of people and lots of sales but no recruit leads, we might have to tweak some things so we get some recruit leads. So please, 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 keep filling this out, and at the end of the month, send it to us so we can analyze it just like a regular business would analyze their sales and everything every single month. We need to look at that because there's always something that can be tweaked, but that's with anyone. So fill out this 90-day tracker, print out this 90 days to direct a formula, and book your 8 shows for next month so we can make it happen for you.